Hello and welcome to the AddEvent YouTube channel. Marissa here from Team AddEvent, wanting to show you how you can go ahead and embed event widgets into WordPress. So let's jump on in. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my event details page. So find your event on your calendar, click into it, and then you are at your event details page. Perfect. Let's go ahead and open WordPress. I've opened up a post here, which is what we use for our blog, for example. And so what you can do is write, say you're using this for a confirmation page or something like that, and you want to include an add to calendar button. I'll put thanks for confirming. Please add our event to your calendar using our add to calendar button below. Great. So I'm going to pop in a custom HTML block. And what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to go back into AddEvent on the event details page and scroll down to the add to calendar button section right here under our share methods. And I'm going to actually change my style a little bit. I'm going to make it blue and use that one and save it. Cool. Now I want to copy the code for that button, which I can do so by clicking the code button right here and hit copy. Jumping back into WordPress, I will hit paste and leave that block be. This has all of your settings that we've just configured. So let's go ahead and publish this real quick and just take a look at how that looks. Awesome. So here we can see our add to calendar button and the message that we put. If you click into it, it's going to give you all the options for our regular add to calendar button that you might be familiar with from other places. And that is how we do the button. Let's say instead though, I want this to be a widget to kind of pull the event information. If I click back into the event details page, under the embeddable event, you can go ahead and expand that and click embed options. And I'm going to grab the embed code right here. If you're using a different tool and you've somehow found yourself in this video, you can use HTML or the URL or the iframe, whatever you need. Jumping back into WordPress, let me just put custom HTML again, and then I will hit save and we will see what's going on over here in our blog. And as I refresh it, we can see now it's got this gorgeous widget. Basically, the example event is pulled through into a nice tile. It has the event description. It has, the add to calendar button that functions just like the standalone button, but it kind of is a bit more structured and framed and polished. So you've got a solution regardless of where you want to use it. Just go ahead and make sure you're grabbing the code from the event details page. You could do the same thing on the calendar details page as well if you want to share a calendar. Highly recommend. But anyways, hopefully this was helpful and we will see you next time. Thanks everyone. Bye.